If you had to describe Bitcoin in one word to a Swiss banker, what would it be?
Integrity, but I'm not sure if that's part of their vocabulary.
Go higher highs, higher lows. Every year my network grows. Every day my network grows. Running relays, running nodes.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to Ask a Bitcoiner 21 Questions. I'm Saida Gomez. Today, we're doing 21 questions in 10 minutes with Swiss Hodler, Relationship Manager at Relay. Swiss, a.k.a. Peter, I should say. How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And to our viewers, remember to look out for the Cashu Ecash QR code, because if you're the first to spot it and scan it, you will win the 2100 sat bounty. That's out of the way. Peter, are you ready?
Yep.
So, 21 questions, 10 minutes. I will read the first question and then I will start the timer.
Okay.
First question, Finland or Switzerland? Who's culturally more open to Bitcoin?
Switzerland. Obviously. Traditions of neutrality and hard money and decentralized decision making.
If you could change one regulation tomorrow in the EU, what would it be?
I would abolish all taxes, but of course it's not realistic. So I would say I would get rid of the capital gains taxes in Bitcoin and treat it as cash.
One word to describe EU regulations on Bitcoin, helpful or harmful?
Harmful.
What did getting kicked off LinkedIn teach you?
It definitely showed me that we need decentralized social media also. That is not run by Microsoft. Therefore, I'm a big fan of Nostr.
What's one reason an investor in the EU should care about Bitcoin adoption today?
Hedge against inflation.
Euro, franc, or Bitcoin? Which is most attractive to a treasury manager today?
Bitcoin. Best store of value.
Another currency question. Swiss francs or Bitcoin? Which do you trust more long term?
Bitcoin, of course. Because Bitcoin doesn't inflate at all.
These are softball questions. Which canton is leading in Bitcoin adoption?
That's a tricky one. In a way, Canton of Zug, but also because they have the shitcoin valley. So I would say Ticino, because Lugano is the Bitcoin capital of Switzerland with the hundreds of merchants accepting Bitcoin, and the home of Plan B, where they are doing excellent work for Bitcoin adoption.
What do Finns get about money that others don't?
I'm not sure if they get it, but I would say that they have experienced hyperinflation with the Finnish mark before the euro. So they understand that eventually fiat will die. But I'm afraid that they are still trusting the government too much and the media.
What's the smartest move a European company can do right now to prepare for a new monetary landscape?
Buy Bitcoin.
What's the most common aha moment when a business finally gets Bitcoin?
That it's the best hedge against inflation, best store of value.
Are we late to Bitcoin?
Nope, we are extremely early still.
Do you think Switzerland could become the Bitcoin capital of Europe?
Yes, it could, because Switzerland has, as mentioned already, a long history in decentralized decision making and direct democracy. So they are they have the foundation for Bitcoin, and also the neutrality, hard money culture. So yes, definitely.
How are businesses preparing for the digital euro?
I would say businesses, based on my limited view, they are not really preparing for this view.
If you had to describe Bitcoin in one word to a Swiss banker, what would it be?
Integrity, but I'm not sure if that's part of their vocabulary.
What's a bigger threat to adoption, volatility or bureaucracy?
Bureaucracy, because volatility fades, but regulation strangles.
Okay, so this one you have to show me. What kind of watch do you have?
I don't wear a watch.
Your wrist? No watch. Nice. EU or Switzerland? Who's moving faster on Bitcoin adoption?
Switzerland.
What do Swiss bankers really think about Bitcoin?
I think publicly they are hesitant, but privately many of them are stacking.
Would you rather pitch Bitcoin to a German CFO or a Swiss one?
German, because the inflation pains in Germany are higher than in Switzerland.
Last question. Gold vault in Zurich or Bitcoin in cold storage? Which will last longer?
Hardware wallet, of course.
Boom! You are done. And there are 4 minutes and 42 seconds left on the clock.
Mm-hmm.
No
Nice.
reaction? Cultural differences.
Yeah. Typical
Nice.
Finnish happy face.
Finish up. Well, congratulations. I don't remember who the last person was, but it's been quite a few months since someone got through all of the questions in less than 10 minutes. So congratulations.
Yeah, I don't talk much, but only to the point.
Only to the point. Okay, well, Mr. To the Point, Peter, a.k.a. Swiss Hodler, can you remind people where they can find you and where they can find Relay?
Best way to find me on X, handle Swiss Hodler, on Oster, same handle Swiss Hodler, or swisshodler.com. Relay, you can find relay.app, and there relay.app/private or relay.app/business, and that's where you can book a meeting with me to buy Bitcoin as a company or large volumes of Bitcoin as a private individual.
Very nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Keys. Yeah. Man like quakes. Man like who? Yeah. Takes her Bitcoin off exchanges under self-custody. She runs her own node, providing liquidity. Yeah, she got her own keys. She got her own keys. She got her own keys. Yeah, she got her own keys. 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 Yeah, she got her own keys.